Oh my god, I am so freaking happy. Oh my lord, I'm so hungry. And okay, so if you're thinking like, oh my gosh, how does she have money to buy herself like food? Like, what the fuck is going on? You don't do anything. No. Is it bread? Oh, they give me bread. Oh, thank you. Oh my god. Like, oh my god, you gave me a knife and a fork as well. Thank you. So, like, how do I buy food? Now, if you're living off baby food and you're not eating anything but something fruits, yeah, then you have 15 euros over to buy yourself. Like, what the fuck? This is leaking. Okay, so I'm going to get. Oh my god, this is. Like, wait, 1 second. Like, don't go away. The pocket. Oh, my neck. Why do I run? Yeah, why do I run? I can't run with my back. Oh my god. I'm feeling like a 60-year-old. Like, what the fuck is going on? Oh my god. I got too excited. I got so excited. Okay. Okay, so what the fuck? This is. No, okay. No, okay, no. No, okay, no. No. So I'm not going to get the potatoes later. I bought 2 of fungi pasta. Okay, so we hope that this shit is good. But I just wanted pasta. So, oh my god, well, like. I got 2 because, oh my god, like, ew. They did microwave this shit. Oh my god, they microwave this shit. Gordon Ramsay, you need to sue this place. They microwave this shit. Oh my god, they took almost 1 hour to microwave my pasta. They are, oh my god, this is so bad. Oh my god. This is why I don't eat out. Oh my god, this is a fungi? Like, what is this? It's no, okay, I got 2 because I thought maybe I can eat later more if I want to. It's 5 euros, so. But next time I'm going to cook it. This was horrible. Okay, I'm going to see the other one. Oh my god, this shit is so microwaved. This is so microwaved. I can't. Oh my god, I'm going to be more sick if I eat this, I think. Why does in this village have only 3 places to buy fruit from, and they all 3 are horrible? Like, why? Okay, no, I'm going to try this. Yeah, sorry, I'm moving it around because it is a block and I want a little bit more pasta-like. This shit is so microwaved. And even bad though. It's not even warm. It is just wet. Okay. It doesn't taste bad, and I can take it. I can handle it. I don't need to throw up about this. So. And I found finally this movie, Barbie and the 12 Princesses. Yes, bitch. I'm not going to watch the full thing because I don't watch full. You're in Latin. Okay. That's good. Is it just me, but all Spanish old movies, they're all Latin? Because I rewatch so many old movies in Spanish, and they're all in Latin. Latin, not Latin. In Latino. In Latino, yes. Now it is to say how you said in English, but in Latino. And it's really, I didn't hear it when I was little, and now I'm like, oh, that sounds different. What? I thought because everything I watch was in Latino, apparently, and now with La Casa de Papel and FSFS and blah, 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 all these Spanish movies, now I hear, and in Spain I hear now more Spanish people. I'm like, oh, that's different. And now they're making movies in Spanish, and now I can't find in Spanish old movies. They all are in Latino. Oh, okay, so I'm going to watch a movie. It's kind of nice though. Oh my gosh, food. I'm so happy to eat. Why? I have a plate here. Why do you keep falling? Okay. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, my back. So, at 7 or 8 p.m. I get a physiotherapist for my back. And oh my god. Like food. Oh my god. You don't know, but I grew up with a father and a mother that both can cook amazingly. Like my father is a chef, and my mom just can cook amazingly, and that's it. And she was a cook for when she met my dad. So since I was little, I ate a lot. I could eat 2 whole pizzas by myself, like my dad made, and they were bigger than normal size pizzas. And when I was living by myself, since I was 17, I cooked like so much. So many different things, and I love to cook, but only if other people are with me. I don't know why I don't cook for myself. Mostly even if I made it, I throw it away because I just want to eat. But yes, I'm going to eat. I hear you. I hear you. She's like, oh my god, you have food, give me now. Why are you talking? You have finally food, feed me. So when I got sick and I couldn't eat, was the worst thing. That's the worst thing that can happen to me. To me, like other sicknesses, there are really bad, but for me, not eat, I can not sleep, I don't need to walk, I can be crazy. I'm going crazy. I have been in the hospital for medical reasons, and literally I had a horrible time, but I have it so much worse if I don't eat. Food is for me life. I prefer food before sex, relationships, sleep, family. Like, oh no, even my cat, I'm sorry. But I will take this pasta before anything. Oh my god, no. This pasta, no. Oh my god. But it is food, and it is okay for now. So, I'm talking too much about nonsense. I'm just wanting to be happy for us. Oh my god. Now, okay, my stomach is hurting now. Oh my god. Okay, my stomach is hurting. I didn't like that. Oh my god. Microwave food, not accepted. I'm going to take a pill. Oh my god. I'm getting hurt. Okay, I'm going to try to watch Barbie. Yay. And I'm going to look up my medicine. This is horrible. Okay. Bye bye. But I'm still happy. Yes. Good vibes. Be positive today. You can do it. I believe in you. You're doing great, okay? Since you were filming, you are doing great. You're standing up. You are even watching a movie. You're going to watch a movie. It has been so many months. So good. You're eating. You're sleeping. A little bit. You're sleeping. You have your period. No kids. You don't even have sex, but you don't have kids. You're doing good. Okay. A little bit stomachache doesn't matter. You are eating microwave food. Gordon Ramsay, please cook for me.